Over 2 million people have already taken a ride in a car with nobody behind the wheel. No driver, no backup, nobody touching the steering wheel at all. Think about that for a second. Driverless cars aren't a sci-fi concept anymore. They're real. They are here. And they're expanding fast. But here's what's wild. Most people still don't know which cities actually have them right now. Here's the part nobody tells you. The rideshare model you've used for years. It's breaking. Costs jumped 71% in 5 years. Drivers are quitting. Wait times are getting brutal. And honestly, the experience keeps getting worse. You're paying more for less. Sound familiar? Compare that to a robotaxi. Human drivers cost 30 to 40% more per ride. They sleep. They take breaks. They have bad days. A robotaxi doesn't care. It runs 24/7. It never gets tired. It never gets angry. It never gets distracted. The cost per ride drops significantly, which means the entire economics of getting around a city just completely flipped. So why does no one talk about this? Because the shift is quiet. It's not one massive announcement. It's a slow rollout, city by city, block by block. And it's already happening whether you've noticed it or not. The numbers are staggering. Over 8 million autonomous rides have already happened. Companies like Waymo and Cruise are logging millions of miles with zero human intervention. So where can you actually ride in one right now? Number 1, San Francisco. This is ground zero. Waymo operates here full scale. The hills, the fog, the chaos, they've conquered all of it. If you're in the city, you can hail one right now. Number 2, Phoenix, Arizona. This was the first major proving ground. Waymo has been running here for years. It's the most mature robotaxi market on the planet. Fully driverless, fully normal. Number 3, Los Angeles. Waymo expanded here recently, and it's growing fast. Same with Austin, Texas. Cruise is scaling operations there right now. These aren't pilot programs anymore. They're real services taking real passengers to real destinations every single day. And the real reason isn't just convenience, it's economics. Every ride without a driver gets cheaper. The data is clear. Autonomous vehicles have significantly fewer accidents per million miles than human drivers. Seriously, the tech has crossed the safety threshold. This is happening. It's not stopping. So what did the robotaxi say to the nervous passenger? Relax. I drive better without you. Subscribe. Next up, we're breaking down exactly how these AI fleets are actually programmed to think.